Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. This is Ron from McKee's 37. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Glassmaster Pro that we just started carrying. Haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I'm going to be using it with you guys for the first time and we'll see how it goes. I've got the perfect candidate to use it on, and that's this Mustang. And what the Glassmaster Pro is for is getting into areas that are virtually impossible to touch by hand. And the rear window on this Mustang is that. The last 4 or 5 inches down here at the bottom you cannot get to from inside the car. Or if you can, it is extremely difficult. So we'll be using the Glassmaster Pro and try and get the bottom of that window clean. And let's take a look at exactly what the Glassmaster Pro combo is. So when you receive it, it's going to come in a nice little mesh bag with a drawstring so you can keep everything together. It's going to come with some instructions. You're also going to get a bottle of one of the best, if not the best, glass cleaners on the market, and that's our Krystal Vision glass cleaner. So in the instructions, shows you how to put it together, how to put the bonnet on. I do know because I've taken the bonnet off and put it back on. The first time doing the bonnet is a little difficult. It almost seems like it's not going to fit, but actually it does. That's what it's going to look like when it's on, and they give you some tips at the bottom for the manner in which you should clean the windows. So inside the bag, you're going to get your handles. This handle here has got a nice sponge rubber grip on it. So it's easy to hold on to even if your hands happen to get wet. It's got a little spot at the top so you can hang it up. That simply screws into the other handle. We do have an optional extension that you can buy that would screw into here, that makes the handle basically twice as long as it currently is. Inside you're also going to get the actual cleaning head and an actual, if I can get it out, additional bonnet. So here's the cleaning head. Simply slides in one side, clicks down into the other. The cleaning head also has a sponge rubber back, so it helps conform to the window shape. As you can see, the bonnet is very tight. And when you buy the combo, you're also going to get an extra pack of 3 more bonnets. This is our glass towel. I don't know if you guys have used this or not. This is a very nice towel. It's a very close knit towel, no linting. So we're going to take this Glassmaster and we're going to jump in the back seat of that Mustang and give it a try and see how it goes. So let's go for a walk and get in the back seat of this car. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. It is very tight quarters in there. So as you can see, there's not a lot of room in this car. So we'll go ahead and move the seat up, move this seat up. That's as far as that'll go because it hits the headliner because the seat back is so tall. But as you can see in the back seat, there is no room. It's a back seat and back seat name only. I would hate to ride back here. Good thing I own it and I drive it. So, as you can see, there's no room up there. So we're going to take our glass cleaner, spray it up there as far as we can. It's actually even hard to get glass cleaner all the way to the back at the bottom. As you can see, the Glass Master fits all the way to the bottom of this window. That's amazing. It's easy to control, back and forth. This is kind of difficult with one hand, trying to steady myself and wipe a window, but we'll get it done. So that looks perfect to me. Went all the way down as far as it could possibly go. It reached all the way to the bottom of the glass. Got up in the corners nicely. As you can see, it didn't leave any streaks behind. Glass is nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and that'll be a wrap on that. I'm going to give this a 5-star review. It worked perfect. It got all the way to the back of the glass, and that's what it's designed to do. Anytime a product does exactly what it's supposed to do, in my book, that's 5 stars, because a lot of them don't do what they say they're going to do. So that is the Glass Master Pro. Very happy with the results. You can see from the outside, there's no streaks. Tool worked perfectly. Hope you found this informative. This is Ron Atchison from McKee's 37. Have a great day.